School Freeware's Visual Basic Express 2010 tutorials. Tutorial 46. Playing YouTube videos with WebBrowser and parameters. For the Shockwave Flash object way of embedding YouTube videos, see Tutorial 8. All code can be downloaded at schoolfreeware.com. First of all, we need to modify the YouTube video link. This is a sample YouTube video link. What we need to do is delete the watch question mark and replace the equal sign with a slash. So this YouTube video link should now look like this. Here are some examples of some YouTube parameters that we can use within our application. The ampersand autoplay allows the YouTube video to auto start. So when autoplay equals 1 is set, the YouTube video will automatically play. The ampersand start starts the video at a particular location. For example, here, this video will start at 90 seconds. When ampersand loop equals 1, then the video will be set to loop. When ampersand HD equals 1, then the video will be set at high definition. When REL equals 1, then the related videos will be shown. If REL equals 0, then the related videos will not be shown. All the parameters are optional. For example, if the autoplay is not placed within the YouTube link, then the YouTube video will not automatically start. Here's an example of YouTube parameters within our link. So here we have our YouTube video, and by placing the ampersand start equals 45, we can start the YouTube video at 45 seconds. Also, by adding an ampersand autoplay equals 1, the YouTube video will automatically play, and we have it set here for high definition. For a list of YouTube parameters, please visit code.google.com, APIs, YouTube, player_parameters.html. A new Visual Basic Windows project has been created. I'll go ahead and load in the web browser from the common controls. The web browser fills the entire form, even when resized. If I wish the web browser to be in its own separate part of the form, I can go ahead with the web browser selected, go to dock, and change the dock from fill to none. And now I have a web browser that will not fill the entire form. Within the web browser, we have the URL, and this is where we would load the YouTube video. So I'll go ahead and get the YouTube video at this time. Here I have the prairie crayfish that I wish to use. So I'll just go up to the top and copy the link, go back to Visual Basic, and in the URL I'll paste the link in, and now I'll just do the modification. I'll remove this watch question mark, and I'll take out the equal sign and place in a slash. Okay, now the YouTube video, it should be loaded into the web browser. If I were to go ahead and run at this time, the YouTube video should pop up there. And then I could go ahead and run the YouTube video simply by clicking on play, and the YouTube video will play. If I wish to have the YouTube video autoplay, I can make a modification to the link within the web browser. So here in the URL, I'm going to go to the end, and I'm going to place in the ampersand followed by autoplay. Then equals 1, and this will automatically play the YouTube video. Go ahead, run. I'll close this down. If I wish the video to start at a particular location, say for example 25 seconds, I can place an ampersand start equals 25. Okay, I'll close this down. That particular video can also be set to high definition since it's a high definition video. So I can do that by placing in an ampersand HD equal 1. So now high definition should be set. Go ahead, run. And we can see that it's set now to high definition. Okay, I'll close this down. And I'll show another example here. By default, the YouTube URL is set to the crayfish with autoplay. The crayfish button here is set to browser1.navigate, and then within quotation we have the YouTube link with the modified autoplay set. So this will automatically play the crayfish video. The button cat will play the cat video. Notice the underscore right here. Again, it's set to autoplay. Here we have the QBasic video. And I'm going to go ahead and load in the text paint video. This is the video I want. I'll just copy and double click, and I'll set the web browser one.navigate parenthesis, and then within quotes the YouTube link, deleting the watch question mark, deleting the equal sign and replacing it with a slash. And then I want this particular video to automatically play, so I'll put in an ampersand, autoplay equal 1, close quotes, close parenthesis, and I'll go ahead and run. By default, the crayfish video should play. It does. I'll go to the cat video. QBasic. Text paint. And back to crayfish. Okay, I'll close this down. And that is a quick example on using the web browser to play YouTube videos within your application.